Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, compliment of the season. So in this video I am going to show you my holiday glam, how I glammed. You already know the season. So first of all, I am going to fill in my brows using a normal brow pencil, then set it with brow setting gel just to put those hair in place. Then for the highlight, I like using a lighter concealer to define my brows. Then the one I am using is the ColourPop concealer in dark, medium and dark. I like mixing them like that. So after highlighting the down part, I'll then go to the top, do the same at the top of the brows just to define the brow. So after that, I like blending with a small blending brush because you don't want your concealer to look funny. So after applying it, after defining your brows, always blend the concealer out. So as you can see, I am defining the top of my brow too. Then after that, I move on straight to foundation because I just don't want to do too much on the eye. So the primer I use is the Pond. I don't know if you like Pond as I do too, because that stuff holds your face for a very long time. So after applying the foundation that I'm using, I mixed the Maybelline Fit Me foundation 340 and 360. Yes, because 340 is a little bit lighter than me, so I just had to add a darker foundation just to get my shade. So after that, I use the ColourPop concealer, the medium dark, to highlight my face. Then I am using this Nuban Beauty blender to blend that out. Then after blending out, I contour my face. I did cream contour this time around. Yes, that shit is very difficult to blend, so I hardly do cream contour. I always go straight to using powder. So after contouring my cheek, I contoured my nose, also using the normal cream contour method to contour my nose, not highlight my nose, to contour my nose. So that is it for the contouring. So I'm using the Real Technique brush, the slanted one, to contour my nose. It's I love using this brush. It's just put that just snatch your nose, just as you can see here now. So after that, I'm using the banana powder to set my highlight. I will just set my highlight, then do a reverse contour just to show our contour, for our contour to be visible. So after that, I just buff out the powder, then I set my contour with the darker powder. So just to add a little bit of color, I added blush before using the set spray just to set everything together. Oh, I baited. Then now I'm using the Taos highlighter palette to highlight my face using a tiny brush. Then moving on to the eyes, I'm not going to use eyeshadow primer because I'm not going to wear this makeup for long. So after working on my crease, I took the lighter shade of a highlighter in the Taos palette just to pop the eye out. As you can see, it's very pigmented, so you can just spray your brush and boom, the stuff comes out really nice. So after that, I lined my waterline with a gel liner. Then use some mascara. This mascara is from oh my word, Zaron Cosmetic. I forgot. From Zaron Cosmetic. And for the lip, I used the Jordana. I can't remember the shade. So when you are applying your lip stain, always be careful so you can get a very neat lined lips. So after my lips, I did the lashes off camera. The lashes is from Queeneth and Savage. So I fixed my lashes off camera, and that is it for the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, sorry. Don't forget to share the video, and most of all, please subscribe to my channel. That should be my Christmas gift, please, from you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and always stopping by. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.